How you going, team? So we've covered off hip movement with the kettlebell swing, and we've covered the wrist rotation, but now I want to talk about the principle of the catch itself with the kettlebell, which is essentially like the clean and jerk. So we covered off the swing and where we get our hip drive from with the kettlebell swing, the wrist movement with the catch, okay, rotating through. So now what I want to go over is just understanding what we're doing when we're catching the kettlebell. So the best way for me to explain, okay, is I'm going to do a full rep before I do the breakdown for you. So we're going to go here. So what's happening with the clean and jerk is we're coming from the ground from a deadlift position, my other hand's out here, okay, and we're catching here. Alright, so what am I doing in this one? Is if we can imagine breaking it down into an upright row here, lifting it up and catching it, this is essentially what we're doing as we're doing the one arm clean and jerk, okay? It's up here, it's becoming light, we're getting ourselves under it and catching it. So, we're going to rotate that wrist out when we do it with the single arm, thumbs rotate through, and then we're getting under it and catching it. Okay, and I've provided you getting under it to catch it and rotating the wrist through, you will get that weight up to your shoulder. And then from there, for our jerk, we're just going straight up, back down to catch position, wrist rotates back around. This is the part, okay, that you need to understand for your kettlebell clean and jerk. Understanding the principle of the catch movement. Without this, okay, you're going to be muscling it. Okay, it's going to fatigue you and it's going to injure your shoulder. So, huge importance. Rotating the wrist, the catch, getting underneath it. The jerk at the top again is about getting underneath it to lift it up there. That principle there is going to really help with your kettlebell clean and jerk and get you smashing out some awesome training. Awesome team, thank you.